Hi guys, it's Ollie from Ollie Runs Red. So back at it again. Yeah, so today, like I said yesterday, I'm going to be getting the train to Taffs Well. Don't really know the route that well because I don't really know Taffs Well, but yeah, I'm going to be running back. Still feeling a bit under the weather a bit. I think it's because my body's not used to it. But I was talking to one of my friends who's a nurse, and she asked me about like my hydration and that. And I realised that I'm only drinking what I normally drink, which when you're doing like physical activity like this, you kind of need to drink a lot more. So I think that's why I'm feeling a bit run down, because like my body's not hydrated enough to perform what I need it to. So taking that on board, drinking a lot more now. So just getting up to the train station now. See you on the other side. Ollie Runs Red.
Humans? Yeah, literally.
I bumped into these two dickheads as well.
Again, second appearance.
I know, right? You're like king of the cameo. Hi guys, yep, so I'm here now at Taffs Well train station. It's just started to rain. So, alright, somewhere's going to show me how to get back. Right, district state. Yeah. Right, I know you can't see me. I'm about a mile in, and it's not too bad. It's quite dark down here, so it's quite tunnel vision. So can't really see much in the night time, but I suppose that is what it is. So guess what? I'm lost. So I followed the Taff Trail up until here, and it's going straight up into like an old, horrible, like old road. So I'm gonna meet the proper road, and then try and follow it back that way. Might add a few like miles on, but don't really care. So this dickhead started running on a trail because it said 7 miles to Bonty. I was like, all right, I'll run on this one. And I wondered why it kept on going up and it wasn't curving round. So I thought I was following the Taff Trail, but I think it was one of the brotherly sisterly trails. So I'm currently in Caerphilly at the moment. Yeah, so this on the left was where I was supposed to be, and this on the right was where I was. So yeah, top one, dickhead. Hey! Hey guys, sorry for Ollie Runs Red. I had to stop a few times because I thought I was lost again, which is quite annoying. So technically with this run now, I was on 65, so because that was practically 8 miles. You do the maths, I'm too tired for that shit. I've also got 350 at my 500 goal, so if you could please keep donating. And it is going to start snowing soon, so you're going to pay for me to suffer. Don't donate for free. So yeah, that's Ollie from Ollie Runs Red.